Hi everyone! Last week, one of the resources we had was a relatively quick video that walked everyone through what an argument is, what a position is. I want to take this video as a chance to, first of all, refresh everyone's memory about the definition that was given, and then secondly, I want to add to that definition. So the video for last week defined an argument as a statement that is arguable and can be proven by evidence. All right, I actually want to take this a little bit further and give you another definition for this particular idea. So one way to think about an argument is a statement with which a reasonable person can disagree. So again, that is a statement with which a reasonable person can disagree. If you have a position or an argument, that means that someone else can come in and have a different perspective. Now, if you have a statement that is too obvious, that is clearly true, that means you need to take it a little bit further. In other words, if you have a position or a thesis statement, you need to argue it. It is not self-evident. It is not obvious. All right, so here are some quick tips to keep in mind when you write your own thesis statements. So first of all, and I mentioned this one already, a thesis statement is not obvious. All right, if you have something like people need oxygen to breathe, that is obviously true. You do not need to prove it. If you have something like drunk driving is bad, that is obviously true. You do not need to prove it. There is no other side of that argument. The second tip for creating your own thesis statements is that your thesis should not be just an opinion. I recognize that if you have a position on a topic, it is your opinion to a certain extent. However, an argument is an opinion based on evidence, and it's the based on evidence part that is going to help you out and make you seem more credible. The other thing to keep in mind with your arguments is they should not be too general. If you have a statement that is so big that you cannot defend it and prove it in the 6 to 8 pages for the final draft, that is a problem. Make your claim specific, make it provable. That is going to make everything much, much easier. And this argument, this claim should be the center of your entire paper.